My apple trees are in full blossom right now, which reminds me I have to put some special serum in order to capture the codling moths before they do damage to the apples. This is a recipe. I've seen a lot of recipes online. This recipe is from an old timer that I used to work with who had a lot of apple trees in his yard. He always used it as an organic method for deterring insects and trapping them before they do the damage. What I have here is some apple cider vinegar, some sugar, some hot water, and a banana peel. And this is what he always used, so this is what I am going to share with you today. The jug that I'm going to put it in is the old apple cider vinegar. I don't like using milk jugs because I think the plastic is too flimsy and it breaks down. This type of jug will last for a long time, and I have lots of vinegar jugs because I do a lot of canning. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to pour in 1 cup of sugar. I always have little funnels around because I have to feed my hummingbird feeder. I'm going to get the sugar in there first, and then I'm going to pour in some hot water, and this will help to dissolve that sugar. It doesn't matter how much, it just needs to get in there. Just enough to get the dissolving process going. And then I'm going to pour in 1 cup of the apple cider vinegar, and this is 2 cups here because I need to make 2 batches of this solution. This isn't, you can see this is 2 cups. I'm only going to use half of it because I'm going to actually make 2 jugs. I have 2 apple trees. So I'm going to pour it to the halfway mark. Shake that up and let that sugar dissolve a little bit. Then I'm going to feed the banana peel. I don't know why banana, that's just what he used. I'm sure any kind of fruit peel would work. And then what I'm going to do is add about 4 more inches of water in here. The instructions are to make sure you always maintain about 4 inches of water or liquid in this container. So you might have to add some water as the summer goes on. So I'll use the hose and I'll fill up some more water and get it up to that 4-inch level. Then what I use to put it in the tree is I have this really nice poly coated or rubber coated wire, and it's really nice for tying and holding things up. I cut a long piece and I can get it right where I want. I'll move the camera out there so you can see where I'm going to put it. As you can see right now, my apple tree is absolutely covered in beautiful blooms. It looks wonderful. We're gonna have a bumper year this year. So apples are biennial. They bloom, or they have a big crop every other year. And the last time I harvested 2 years ago, I think I had over 9 bushels of apples out of these trees. I have 2 trees. I have this one here, which is a honey. I have this one here, which is a golden delicious, and then I have one down, and I have one down there, which is a Haralson. So as you can see, I put it in the crotch of the tree. I center pruned it over the years, and I have it anchored and tied up on the branch above. Let's see if you can get around here and you can see. I have it anchored on the branch above to make sure that the wind doesn't blow it out. Although it's nestled down in here pretty good and it should be fine. So if this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.